Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today you're cooking with Kenny.
I'm sitting over here with your stuff.
That is not my knife.
Cannot be formed, and they didn't make it today. So some of them, I don't know which eggs go to which dad, but brothers and sisters can't do it together.
Like how they got quiet when I heard you said brothers and sisters.
Where do you go for there?
I'm leaving tomorrow morning.
They didn't want you in this video. Oh, there's one spoon missing.
Alright guys, you see it, we've got corn, kielbasa sausage, we've got potatoes, we've got cooked shrimp, we've got virgin olive oil, we've got Cajun seasoning, and butter. Now let's get this oven up to 400. And once it's up to 400, we're going to cook it for 40 minutes. Let's check it out.
Hey, John.
How's it going, brother?
Answer me.
Come on.
Oh, man.
Oh, better.
Yeah?
Yeah, good night.
Good.
Alright guys, there you have it. Let's plate this up and have some, alright?
And then I wrote in little space there. I thought other people were doing it too.
That's good. That look good to you?
Yep.
Than I ever had there, right? But you also had a lot worse than ass whooping than
Live outside of Amarillo, Texas. Just left the RV. Debbie's inside. She's not feeling too good. She's had a rough couple of days here. I don't know if it was the lake water or what. But anyways, I'm not gonna miss an opportunity to check good stuff out. So I'm walking on over here. Now I've got another video I made here with the drone and everything, so I'm gonna put a link to that in the description if you want to check that out. That's a cool drone video. This time I'm gonna do a live walk-in, and I'm also gonna catch some GoPro action as I'm going. So come on along, let's check it out. So there's a couple things people do out here that this is all started out with the Cadillacs. I remember coming through here in 1976, seeing them for the first time. It wasn't really a tourist attraction back then. You just see the Cadillacs out in the middle of this farmer's field. Since then, people started coming out here. They tag all the cars. We'll check that out. They tag the barrier rail here. They even tagged the street. Got sidewalk chalk, paint, fingernail polish, whatever they can get their hands on. I don't know. Joe, how you doing? Jerry, what's going on, buddy? Good to see you guys. We are just west of Amarillo, Texas. We're gonna go in this here little roadside attraction. Yeah, I remember first time I seen this was 1976. I think the highway was smaller. We might have even driven on this highway. Route 66 was still in place in a lot of areas. Amarillo, you'd drive through town. They didn't quite have the interstate system finished yet. But we've capitalized on some food here with Route 66 Cadillac Ranch food truck. There's a nice picture of these cars here without anybody around them and stuff. We're gonna go on out there though. We're gonna go check it out. Kristen, how you doing? Good morning. Go ahead, you're fine. I'm on a live stream anyways. Sorry if I'm missing people. Looks like Globee's in the house. All right, we're just gonna walk on out here. I'm not gonna be able to interact much because I can't read too well out here. Whenever the sun changes my glasses into sunglasses. And I don't want to keep stopping. I'd just soon keep walking and narrating. So if you're ever going through Texas on Interstate 40, you got to stop at least once. Debbie says we've stopped 50 times already, so I'm gonna make it 51, I guess. Like I said, I got another video. I'll put the link in the description. That video's got some good drone video. Flew out here over all the cars. Then I flew down the street back there with all the graffiti on the street. So